not a top. It's fucked. It's so quick, isn't it? See that one there? Let's see that one. Red. Oh, got to see red all the way across. Oh yeah. Cool. I didn't know. Red. Oh, come on, you're an absolute flop. Red. Yes. 8,000. Sorry, is that real? This machine's savage. Oh, that's it. This machine's a fucking psycho. Total win 12k. Not the best. Oh, seriously. It's been so fast, eh? It's crooked. You land a feature on $880 here, it's fucking up the place. Oh, shit's a dud. It's a fucking dud. Nothing's a better feeling than, oh shit, don't say it. Nothing's a better feeling than getting the first spin of the feature and saying it's a dud. And then get the fuck in there. It's alright. 3k plus 6k. Come on, drop in. Oh, you. Oh. It's better. That's 6. It's VIP. 9 plus 13. 22. 23,000. We need yellow and greens. Oh fuck, the dud. Yep. We need 3 greens here. Fuck the dud. Two greens. 1 spin. Oh, nice. Got 1 more green now. Let's go. We need 1 more fucking green. Enormous. Fuck. That's still big. Yeah, 29k. It's VIP. Come on. That's not VIP. It's 5k. It's not VIP, no. Oh, fuck you. Sorry. Yes, oh. It's not bad, 10k. It's VIP, but it's not VIP though.
Come on, VIP, next one, fill it up.
Yeah, VIP, 10k for VIP, but that's...
Last one.
You need to see something fucking huge in the end, man. This is all for VIP, ready?
Come on.
I'm doing this one for VIP. Nah, it's a dud, it's a fucking dud. This is possibly actual VIP. Where are the coins? You fucking rat. Dude. Where are the... That's massive. 20k on the VIP. Where the hell are the coins? Where are the coins, dude? Oh, fuck. It's not enough. Oh well, it is what it is. Sorry? Not on me. Do you need something? Where's... That's fat. That's fucking fat. That's fat. That's fat as fuck. That's gonna be 25k surely. That's fucked up. 17k. Fuck, that's fucked. Where's chemo? This is gonna be fucking absolutely unforgiving. Miauch. Good job, Kemosabe. Miauch, whatever. That's gonna be good. Get the fuck in there. That's $5,000 trees. Let's finger. 1. Don't. 2. Where, cunt? Sorry, bad language. Huge. That's that's fucking good. That's fucking good. Thank fuck for that. That's gonna be $5,000 pot, surely. More maybe? Oh my god. Oh fuck you. Redemption. Where's 1? 1, 2. Nice. The redemption. This is good. Like we're like 4 or 5. We are RTP. 2. Oh.
Setting.
Pot. You fucking right.
Come on.
It's not gonna pot. 1, 2. Gotta land 2 in the last.
Good track, that one.
Let's go. Just fucking get 2. Not bad.
Not bad.
Ready? It hasn't given me an option to hit take win yet. Oh, 37.5. We need that fucking big piece, big bong. So you can re-trigger. Ah, fuck. I'll take 2 minors, I reckon.
Oh my god. Just drop that dragon in the middle there.
Where are you? Oh, did. Oh, that dragon. 1, have. Yes, 25k. 25.
Nice.
Redemption.
That's the second major.
No, it's the first one.
First.
This is such a cool game. Dude, this game's fucking right.
Excuse me. Oh, knows how stressed I am.
I didn't die.
Straight on the offer.
Get another.
With Danny Ottoman and Mark Stevenson.
Danny Ottoman. The footrest.
We need a shitload here. Wait. Fuck, excuse me.
11 4 balls. Pots.
We're gonna make 30.
Come on.
8. Other tap. 1. No.
It's not going to rinse us like this, surely.
We got 2 spins. We gotta land at least 2 or 3. What? Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. That's alright. It's 30k.
Yeah, okay. We're back. Dude, this game. Crazy.
Is that it? We got no more games until we appreciate the 5.
3-3.
Okay. 19 but we're looking for that major JP.
Or even a grand would be nice. We'll see.
Step away.
Okay.
1 bonus. Yes, good job.
Love it.
That's good,
And
that's
the
good
pot.
result.
Love it. This might be the redemption.
I'm gonna be absolutely no good at this meeting, Dave. No good.
You're going to be rattled.
I'm gonna be rash at this meeting. Got a tap. Come on, Danny. Come on, drop the grand. The grand for the boys. No.
Oh, there's another one.
We can get 50 out of this. I think we get 50 out of that. Tabit on the bonus. 8. Isn't it usually so many free spins left? We got 1 left or 2 left? I think we got.
I don't know.
What do we just hold up once again? Yeah, go for it. Do something. I think we might have.
About 50. Nearly.
Hey?
Nearly 50.
That's it. Is that it? Yeah,
Is
that's
it?
it. Yeah, tap it. Bonus 25. Good job.
Love it.
Good job.
How do you know when the free spins are? It doesn't say.
It did before. The first time we played was. This is so Those still owes good. Still owes so much money. Nice. One time, line of fucking boys. Oh. Potential's so big. It's good. That's good. Everything pays massive on this.
Yeah.
It's just.
What is that?
It's big. 10k maybe? I don't know. Not quite. 15, 51. Drop it. Give me something.
Go on.
Get in. That's good as well. That's good as well. In fact, that's better than that. Yeah, that's good. No, it's the same. 40k. You got one
Yeah, let's
more.
go ahead and hold that machine.
Come on, where are you? Can you subby? Yeah. Each is 1500. Yeah. Grand. Major, I'll take a major. 1. Major. Hey. Shit. 2 then. 2, have 2. Alright, you're on. We needed that. Where's that bonus?
There it is. Major.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Oh my fuck.